cabin tilting cylinder is an essential component used in commercial vehicles, particularly trucks, to facilitate the tilting of the driver's cabin. The pressure, which is generated by the manual or electric cabin tilting pump, allows the rod of the cylinder to move upward, hence tilting the cabin forward. By tilting the cabin forward, it grants convenient and safe access to the engine, transmission, and other vital components for inspection, repair, and maintenance tasks. The lock system inside the hydraulic cylinder ensures the safety by locking the cabin at needed position. Premium materials like strong steel and long-lasting seals are meticulously chosen to guarantee the cylinder's robustness, steadiness, and protection against external factors. High-end machineries are used to precisely modify the shape of semi-finished materials. After semi-finished parts are gone through quality control, the assembling procedure takes place, which is the most important process of manufacturing. Thorough testing and quality inspections are performed to ensure the cylinder's effectiveness, longevity, and safety prior to its readiness for delivery to vehicle manufacturers and aftermarket suppliers. Experience HYD Home Advantage.